Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Aevo. Wanted to do a quick update on this. Has been very bullish for the last, well, basically since yesterday. I mean, it always looks longer on the 1 hour time frame, but has been very strong. We got a major bullish breakout already. I mean, I personally actually entered a position on Aevo when we broke this downtrend right here. Was a bit early, alright, so I exited the position. Not too stressed about that. I mean, I held it for, like, I opened it last week. That was just too early, alright. So yesterday I should have caught it when we broke above 2.6, but that was while I was sleeping. But in general, got a big bullish breakout already right here. Consolidated for a bit, got the final confirmation breakout right here above 2.66. And 2.6, major bullish breakout. Since then, we've been rallying, all right? And I would say purely technically, Aevo, even though we have found some significant resistance right here at 3.8 and 3.7, I would say purely technically, it's still bullish and we can still move up higher. So that's why I wanted to give you my thoughts on it. And in general, I know a lot of you are trading this. If you look at Aevo right now, it has a volume of over $800 million, which is pretty ridiculous, but it's the truth. So I wanted to give you my thoughts. Now, if you look at Aevo right now, the first thing I want to tell you is that I do think it's a bit manipulated, all right? And there's two reasons for why I'm telling you that. And before I tell you those reasons, I do want to tell you that I don't think manipulation is necessarily bullish or bearish, all right? It's just something you should know. It means that it can be more volatile, it's more unpredictable, etc. But all right, the reasoning is very simple. If you look at where the volume is coming from, a lot coming from Binance, SuperX, Salavi exchange. I've never even heard of that. So usually when you have a lot of volume, in this case almost $1 billion in volume coming from shady exchanges, usually that means it's manipulated, and that's just the truth behind it. But all right, so that's the case. And then apart from that, if you look at the open interest, you can also see that in the matter of an hour, over almost $30 million in positions are being opened. Usually, like, normal open interest behavior is something like this. Something like this, maybe something like this. All right, this, like these huge spikes up, is normally not it. All right, so you should know that. That means we can be a little bit more volatile. Doesn't mean we're bearish. All right, Bitcoin right now, pretty strong. Aevo in general is a solid project, and it sits at about a $400 million market cap. There's still potential in that, all right? So I'm not telling you that we're going to crash. I'm just telling you to be careful. And if you look at Aevo right now, purely technically, like I said, we're still on top of 3.35 here, which is the main support level. So as long as that's holding, I think we're fine. However, the way I would look at Aevo right now is that we are very much on the verge of crashing, all right? Because we have been very bullish, but basically since the start of this day, at least in my time zone, we have found significant resistance and the open interest has been dropping. So what I would personally wait for is just some more confirmation, all right? So the main resistance level, I would say at this point of time, is 3.7. So that's the top of the little range which we are in. And then the 28 EMA and the main support level is around 3.25. So I would say this is the range we are in, and the best thing you can do to actually be a bit more safe about this is wait for one of these two levels to break, all right? Because I would say in these market circumstances, and with how strong Aevo has been, I would say, and that's also my most likely scenario, that a breakout above 3.7 and a continuation up to 4 and 4.25 is most likely. However, if I don't get that confirmation by getting that bullish breakout, I would not trade it. And then the same way with 3.25, if we actually break down below 3.25 right now and it's not a fake out, then I know we have lost so much momentum, and that's such a significant technical bearish breakout that I think it's most likely then will drop down to 3 and 2.85 to get a bit of a bigger pullback, which is also possible since we are manipulated. So that's what I think you need to look out for. Personally, like I said, I think that bullish continuation and the bullish breakout is most likely given the circumstances. But in general, be careful. Wait for confirmation and be careful. Those are my thoughts. That's what you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.